Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is lopsided. It is pronounced lop-si-did and spelt L-O-P-S-I-D-E-D. Think lop and then sided. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Being lopsided means being uneven or unbalanced, often in a way that is visually noticeable. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is not symmetrical or well proportioned. For example, you could say the cake was noticeably lopsided, dropping to one side after it fell out of the oven. Or the bunny had lopsided ears, one pointing up and the other hanging down. The word lopsided comes from the Old English word lop, which means to cut off, referring to something that is cut off unevenly and therefore not symmetrical. See the connection? The Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy is perhaps one of the most famous examples of a lopsided building. Due to an unstable foundation, the tower tilts at an angle, making it appear lopsided. Despite efforts to stabilize it over the centuries, it still maintains its characteristic lean, attracting tourists from around the world. Synonyms for lopsided are uneven, unbalanced, asymmetrical, and disproportionate. Antonyms for lopsided include symmetrical, balanced, even, and proportionate. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Lopsided. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.